In this video, we will guide you through the process of using xExchange. xExchange is a decentralized exchange or DEX built on the MultiversX blockchain that utilizes an automated market maker protocol. It offers a range of features including asset trading, earning yield from transaction fees, staking LP tokens, and more. Here you can see the basic information about energy in xExchange. In a nutshell, energy is used to calculate the asset lock period and the rewards they generate. The greater the energy, the longer the lock period, and the higher the rewards. Before using the DEX, you must already have a wallet created. In this video, we will use the MultiversX DeFi wallet. We have a guide on how to create it linked in the description. Alternatively, you can connect any wallet listed on the screen. Wallets window will pop up. Click on your wallet's name. On this page, you can see your account dashboard with total balance, portfolio breakdown, charging fees, rewards, and a big menu with your DEX assets. xExchange allows you to swap eGold into any other tokens supported by the ecosystem. For example, let's swap some amount of eGold into USDC to later use it in a farming pool. Just specify the amount you'd like to exchange and click swap. Wallets window will pop up. Click confirm to proceed. We have successfully exchanged eGold into 5 USDC. xExchange also allows you to earn yield for providing liquidity to the exchange. Let's add some liquidity to the USDC eGold pool to test this out. Sign the transaction. Now you have LP tokens. Let's stake them to start earning rewards. Go to the Farms tab, select your LP pair and click Stake LP. Choose the amount and sign the transaction. Now we're earning the farming yield. Click on the drop-down arrow to check your rewards. You can also withdraw your tokens by clicking on Withdraw. Metastaking. Usually, you receive XMEX tokens for staking your liquidity. Metastaking, however, rewards you with projects tokens that you're staking into. Basically, stake LP in tokens to earn more of the same token as reward. Metabonding is a useful platform for new projects. It aims to connect projects with the MultiversX community and reward xExchange token holders. Be careful, if you don't claim your Metabonding rewards after 4 weeks, the rewards from the first week will be deducted. The governance portal enables ideas to turn into proposals as holders become governors of the exchange. Users vote for changes with the total number of their MEX tokens. Conclusions. This exchange allows you to quickly and conveniently exchange one token for another, as well as earn rewards by providing liquidity. It also connects MultiversX projects with its community, giving them additional push to grow.